Latest news na update ciĩgiĩ Jeff Mwathi'S case nĩrĩkĩtie kũrekererio nĩ Simon Mwangi Mũthiora kũrĩa aheanĩte update. Nĩkũririkana just the other day IG Komen arakorirwo akĩaria na kuga atĩ they are moving to court nĩgetha makorwo magi request court order ya exhume Jeff Mwathi'S body, na mũthenya wa ira it was confirmed atĩ Jeff nĩegũkorwo agĩthikũrio, but the day and date when Jeff would be exhumed was not yet confirmed kana ndĩrakoretwo yarekererio. No mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ Simon Mwangi nĩarĩkĩtie kumbũra na gũconfirm mũthenya ũrĩa Jeff Mwathi egũkorwo akĩrekererio na ona nginya time ĩrĩa Jeff agakorwo agĩthikũrio. Na Simon Mwangi ashare ndeto ici through his social media platforms na gũkorwo akiumbũra atĩ Jeff Mwathi will be exhumed on Friday mathaa-inĩ ma kĩroko, na he will be exhumed by detectives from the homicide department. Na Simon Mwangi has shared this akiuga update: Jeff Mwathi shall be exhumed on Friday morning by detectives from the homicide department. Na rĩu finally it is officially confirmed that Jeff will be exhumed na nĩ mũthenya wa Friday in the morning by homicide detectives. Na ndĩ ndeto ciakĩamũkĩrwo nĩ Akenya wega magĩkiuga rĩu finally it is confirmed, everything is confirmed, na mũthenya wa Friday Jeff will be exhumed. Sad and painful but it is for justice for Jeff. Na oho magakiumĩrĩria mami wa Jeff tondũ it is hard gũkorwo agĩthikũria mwana wake, but magakiuga it is all for justice for Jeff. Na Kathy Helen agakiuga it's good news but so heartbreaking for this family. Woima, God hold this family up. I so wish once detectives are done, twende we give this boy another farewell. Onake Joy Jeff akiuga good news, it won't be easy for the family but it is for the best. Onaginya Triza Ngugi agakiuga so painful, may God give Jeff's mom and his family peace, it isn't easy. Na Kewini akauga so painful for the family but again a good step moving forward for justice for Jeff. Na koguo on Friday in the morning homicide detectives nĩguo magakorwo magĩthikũria mwĩrĩ wa Jeff. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update, subscribe now.